This, I swear this looks like a pizza oven or something, like a fat, like a weird kind of. What is this? Something to cook something in. Yes. It looks like it's like a kind of. It smells like something to cook something in. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's interesting. It's like a pizza oven or something. Look at the ash, a toaster. Oh, to break bread. Yes, I was just saying, we need to break bread together. Bake bread together. Oh yes, gee, I used to bake bread with my daughter all the time. That's where her baking started. Yeah, even though she was a pain in the ass, she really instilled that with my daughter, you know, those skills, you know. Lovely. Yeah. Thank God for Narcan, you know. Yeah, because unfortunately it wasn't available back when that tragedy happened. So anyways, it is what it is. The memories still live on. And maybe, you know, maybe the protection, you know, I don't know. I just don't like to think of death as such a melancholy thing anymore, even though it is sad. But they're still with us. Just can't see them physically. That's all.